friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Valerie. I have a Scentsy haul for you guys today. Surprise, surprise, surprise. There is a surprise with this one though, to be honest. It's not all wax. It's actually, I only have one wax bar with this one. And everything else is different. So let's jump in. That being said, there is 2 items that I did not receive that are on back order, of course. I don't know why everything's on back order anymore with Scentsy, but it is. Let me get a sip here. So, anyway, they had some really good deals with their birthday bash, so I went ahead and grabbed some of that stuff, and then there was some stuff that was in the sale area that I thought was really good stuff too, and yeah, so I grabbed it. So for most of you, if you've been watching me for a long time, you know that I loved Scentsy's dish soap. I think it's really, really good dish soap. It really is fantastic. And then they all of a sudden decided not to have it. And said, oh, they would be offering it here and there. And then they do occasionally. But it's either in like a bundle where you got to get a whole bunch of crap that I don't want. I just want the dish soap. Or it's in scents that I don't want. So finally, they did a dish soap bundle where you could get 2. And they had a few scents in there that I did want. Actually 2. So I grabbed 2. 2 of each one of those. So I grabbed 2 bundles. So the first one, I love this. I love this scent. I love it in wax. I have had it in counter clean. I think I still have a little bit in counter clean. And I've loved it in the bathroom stuff. I don't like the bathroom cleaner, but I love the scent in this. And that is Coastal Sunset. So I went ahead and grabbed 2 dish soaps, and it's in the fun packaging, which I love. So yeah, I love the scent. And then I got to look, and I have one of these stashed up in my cleaning area with all my cleaning products. I had one of those stashed in the back. I was like, oh, so now I got 3 dish soaps in Coastal Sunset, and I'm thrilled. So I need to break that out and use a little bit of it before the end of the summer because it's just a really good summer scent. And I think it's just like sandalwood and coconut. Doesn't give me the scent notes on this, and I love it in the wax. And they didn't bring it back for this year for the wax, and it is in my club. And I grabbed, I think, like 6 bars of it, so I do have a little bit of stash of it. So Coastal Sunset, fantastic scent. Okay, this next one. I never had tried this scent, and they brought it back in something, and so I grabbed a bar of it, and it is still in my club, and I'm going to be getting more of it because I do like it. I've not warmed it yet, but I do really like it, and that is Vanilla Mint, and then I seen they had it in the dish soap, so I grabbed 2 bottles of Vanilla Mint, and I think it's going to be really, really good. So I love mint scents. And this is called Washing Up Liquid, not dish soap. So I'm assuming this is was meant for I think is it New Zealand that they call it washing up soap or washing up liquid. We always call it dish soap. So I did notice that, but I don't really care. As long as it's the same stuff inside, I don't care. And then in the sale, and those are birthday bashes. Then in the sale area, they did the same thing to me with Scentsy Soft. They discontinued it, and I loved that. That was the one fabric softener that actually made my clothes and my blankets super soft, softer than anything I'd ever tried before. Softer than Downy, softer than Snuggles, softer than anything, and just absolutely loved it. And it was scented so wonderfully. And then they discontinued that. I'm like, are you kidding me? Basic stuff like dish soap and laundry fabric softener, you discontinue. And they say it was because of low sales. And I just don't buy that. I'm sorry, I don't buy that. And I thought that, Dawn and stuff was better than this. I've recently have purchased Dawn again, and not so much. This is better, to be honest. So, anyway, that being said, I grabbed they had a Scent Soft in jammy time. So I grabbed a bottle of that. I should have probably grabbed two, but anyway, I grabbed a bottle of that. And then this was just a little fill-in that was on sale. I love the scent, and I kind of thought before one time, I thought I had the hand cream, and I thought, oh, this would be really nice to have as a spray. And I'd seen it in there. I thought, I'm going to grab it. So it's Cloudberry Dreams in the fragrance mist. I've never tried the fragrance mist before, and I haven't even opened it yet. But anyway, so I went ahead and grabbed that. And this is like peach. Does it have some notes on here? No. No, this is like peach, a little bit of rose, and is it raspberry or strawberry? But I really enjoyed this scent, so I went ahead and grabbed Cloudberry Dreams. And I thought, if I really don't want to use it on me, I can spray it and spritz it around my house. So that's what I'm going to use it for. I seen they also had a mystery bundle, a citrus mystery bundle for oils, and you got 4. I don't remember how much I paid for this. So I thought, oh, well, I'm going to grab that. I think that sounded kind of cool. So I grabbed that, and I got 4 different scents. I do have diffusers, and I haven't bought oils in a while. So let's smell these guys, because I haven't even smelled these yet. And this is citrus and verbena, or verbena, whatever, however you say it. Get it out. Now, I know this is going to be concentrated as I smell it, but yeah, that's what it looks like, the bottle. Oh, do I want to open these? Do I want to open all of them? Yeah, because I don't have any of these, so that's fine. Oils, I don't have issue with them, like, going bad. Oh, that's good. Yeah, I get that citrus, and it's not a horrible citrus. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice and fresh and clean. Oh, I like that. Yeah, citrus and verbena, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to get my diffuser. I normally don't use my diffusers as much in the summertime because there's, I'm always trying to take the humidity out of the air and not put humidity into the air. And then fall and winter is when I really, really use them a lot. I use them in my bedroom. I use them out here to put moisture into the air because we do have some harsh winters where everything is just too dry. So I do use them then more. Lavender lime. Sounds good. I've been into more lime scents lately. And I wasn't sure whether I would like the citrus or not, citrus mystery, but I thought, well, we're going to try it. Oh. Oh, I like that too. You really get the lavender. And then that citrus comes in with it. That's going to be good too. It's a real lavender too. It's not like, blended. You can really get the herbally lavender out of that. 2 more, guys. Lemongrass cucumber lime. I'm not sure how I will like this one because I don't care for cucumber. So let's open it and see. Actually, that's not too bad. It's not too bad. So some of these I may have to go ahead and use because I don't think I would want to use this like in the winter. This is very like fresh, refreshing. It's actually pretty good. I normally don't like cucumber. This is what a cucumber scent should smell like to me. And like in the wax, when I get a cucumber scent, it's just always like got like a perfumey note in it, or it's not good. I don't even like cucumber melon from Bath and Body Works. I want it to smell like a cucumber, and they don't ever smell like a cucumber, but that's actually pretty decent. And the last one is caramel vanilla strawberry, and this one I think I can use anytime. other three, I mean, the lavender lime I could probably use anytime. But the other two, I probably want to use them more in the summer. Caramel vanilla strawberry. Oh man, straight up strawberry. Sweet sundae strawberry topping. That's what I get. Oh, that's gonna be good. That's gonna be fantastic. Oh yeah. So yeah, I'm happy with those four. I really am. So yeah, I don't know how much I paid for those guys. I want to say, I don't know. I'm not going to say because I don't know. Last I seen, they were still in there. It's the mystery bundle, citrus mystery bundle, and it's oils. Put them back in this little baggie. And then I have like a collection. I have a container that's got all kinds of oils in it. And yeah, so that will go in there. And I like how they put it in this package, so if there's any leakage, it would be contained. I did like that. All right, guys. Then I got a mystery bundle of pods. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it was 5 of them. So I got 5, and they just sent them to me. I don't know, I didn't know what they were. So this is Prickly Pear Flare. I have a bar of wax in this, and I don't know if I'm going to like it or not, because normally prickly pear I don't care for. It smells good on cold, but we'll see when I get them actually going. The prickly pear tends to have does something to my throat that I don't care for. So if not, I'll give this, I can't just give them to anybody because I'll probably use these in the garage. I'll use these in the garage if it does that to my throat again. And I may use the wax bar in my garage too. So anyway, I always find uses for stuff that maybe I don't like or it doesn't do well with me. Either if I don't give it away, and I'll use it up somewhere else in the house that I'm not in there constantly. The next one was Peach and Grapefruit Mimosa. I had never tried this one before. That's very, very pungent. Yeah, I'm not getting cat pee, but it is on the verge. And I know these are concentrated, so I will definitely try it out and see what happens. But once again, it may be a good garage scent. And I do like to use these in the winter, in the winter in my garage, because they still, it's all closed up in there, but wax does not, in the middle of winter, does not warm well out in my garage because it's too cold. But these would be a good option. Next one is Lemon Heaven. I also have a bar of this, and I don't know if I put this in my club or not. It smells just like a nice lemon bakery, if you like that. I'm not it's not my favorite, but I don't hate it. So I could use that. That's not bad. Next one is Go-Go Mango. I have never tried this one, and I think I have some testers of this. It smells pretty good, though. Yeah, it smells pretty good, but my thing with Go-Go Mango is I always thought it was light. In my testers, it smelled light, and I've heard other people say it was very, very light in their opinion, so I never tried it before. So anyway, and my ultimate favorite that came was Rum Pum Plum. I love the scent. I love the scent. It's in my club. Yeah, and it is Rum Pum Plum. I love this. It's sweet plum pastry minus the coconut note and added more pastry note in it. And I'm not a fan of sweet plum pastry. This one I like better. Love it, love it, love it. So that was my mystery bundle for my these. It was a pretty good deal. I can't remember how much I paid for that one either, but it was a pretty decent deal. Last but not least, I did get one little lonely wax bar, and I grabbed another Mojito Mambo because I really like this scent. It's a green colored wax. Yeah, it's just very minty. And I don't know if it's like, it smells more like maybe spearmint in there. And I think it's supposed to have like rum in there, but I'm not, I mean, I've not warmed this either. And I've got like, I think this is my 5th bar that I bought. But it just smells so fresh and minty, and how can I go wrong with mint? So that is my Scentsy haul, guys. So let me know what you think. And were you surprised that I only got 1 wax bar? I was proud of myself. Normally I just want wax. But I've seen some of these deals. I'm so thrilled to get dish. I got 4 bottles of dish soap now. So Scentsy keep bringing back some good dish soap scents like this. If I go back in there, they had Perfect Peppermint in there too. If I go back in and Perfect, like the flash sale, I'm going to be looking for, flash sale's tomorrow, guys. So this may not be up and running, but before then, but for the flash sale tomorrow, I am definitely looking for dish soap, wax, and maybe some cheap warmers, because I am going to be expanding and doing some things in my basement, and I normally don't have like a lot of warmers down there, but warmers, wax, and dish soap. And maybe some pods. If I see pods in flash sales that are cheap and that I like them, I'll grab some of those too. But we'll see what's on there. I'm excited about that. So I will see you guys next time. If you're new, click the subscribe button before you leave. It does help my channel. It helps me out. And then click notification bell so you're notified of any of my new uploaded videos, because you don't want to miss out on anything. And for those of all my subscribers, that's what I'm trying to say. For all my subscribers that have done that so far, so much. For all of you who have already done that, thank you so very, very much. That's what I'm trying to say. It's late at night, guys, and so I'm all excited. I'm hyped up. And I got my holiday and my harvest bars, so I'm excited about that too. So I will see you guys next time, and take care. May God bless each and every one of you, right? Bye-bye.